I've carried worlds upon my back, chasing love through what I lack, learning strength through silence.